let's say that you have this table, this value, and I want to find out that what exists on a particular row and in a particular column. So for example, in fourth row and second column. So 1, 2, 3, 4, this is fourth row, and 1, 2, this is second column. What exists here is 6%. I can pick this value using index. So index, this area, and the position, that is row and column. It will give me the result, which is 6%. Again, if let's say I want to give row in the form of ticker, then I can use match. So I will give a ticker option here, and through match I can calculate the row number. If I want to, instead of column, if I want to have a value, I can use HLOOKUP. So simply you can, these are separate formulas given separately, but you can combine these formulas as per your use or as per your need, and you can make up your